Hi, welcome to LDS Academy's first video. Today we're going to talk about homeschool work and what does that have to do with grading and how to do it and all that good stuff. So the first thing I want to point out is if a child can't learn the way we teach, maybe we should teach the way they learn, and that is absolutely what LDS Academy does, and I'm about to show you how we do that and how you get to do that as well. So the first thing I want to talk about is how we come up with our homeschool work. It's pretty cool. So I'll start out with a blank page, and for example, we'll do letter W, just for fun. And so I'll have an option here for crafts and activities. I'll have an option here for books or worksheets or video games, puzzles, etc. So you can have all these, and what I'll do is I'll go to different websites and I'll do the search for you. And so for letter W, I found this on Pinterest. So I copied it and pasted it and put it right here under crafts and activities. So you can pick whichever one you want. For books, I also went to Pinterest, which sometimes I use Amazon, but this time I found this really great selection here on Pinterest. So you can get these books from the library and learn about the letter W with your kid through books. Another thing, worksheets, a good website I like to use is education.com. And you can scroll through here and you can look at the different options that they have. I really like this one, a maze. A lot of kids like that, and it's really good for fine motor skills. So that's one we could plug in here. For videos, I do YouTube, and I like this one here, mix of letter W song videos. You can get kids YouTube on your phone, but I have not been able to get it on the computer thus far, but I'm sure that they will plan on doing that. So you can go on games, puzzles, whatever type of activities that you come up with for the kid to do for homeschool work. So we actually do this part for you. So if you are a homeschooler right now, then you can appreciate having it all in one place. So this is actually what it ends up looking like. So you can kind of get an idea of how it all comes together. So here's lesson A review, here's the videos, here's some games, here's some worksheets, and different things like that. This whole thing right here is a craft all about the letter D. You have a ton of ideas to choose from. So different things like that. And so the reason that we do this goes back to this, because we want you to teach in a way that your child can learn. So we have a multi-sensory approach to this. So we'll say, okay, little Timmy needs to learn the letter W. Maybe he learns best by watching videos. Let's find some videos about letter W for little Timmy. Or maybe he learns best from reading. So let's find some books about the letter W for little Timmy. And it's all together on one page. So no, we do not expect you to do every single thing that's listed on that page. We put that variety out there for parents to be able to select from what works best for their kid and teach their child that way. So in class, we will introduce the concept of the letter W. We'll talk about the sounds and the strokes and how to write it. And we'll play interactive games with one another and have a really good time. And then we'll let parents know that we did letter W today, and that's the homeschool work that you do. And so the parents get to choose from this list of homeschool work that they wanted to try with little Timmy. And eventually you'll learn and figure out what works best for your child and can just teach that way. So it's individualized learning, which is a homeschool concept, which is super cool that we're able to incorporate that in a school way. And so because of this, we don't do grades, because we believe that you teach until the child gets it, which is also quite amazing. No child left behind is actually true at LDS Academy. So if there are any other questions that you have about homeschool work and how that works, or how grading works, or anything else that you can think of, just post it in the comment section and I will make a video of that if at all possible. We look forward to hearing from you, and also we look forward to just learning with your kids and having a great year. Bye!